Hello. I hope you all are doing well and your trading is going great. Before we start the video, I have an important announcement. You can now download our crypto and forex signals app. On this app, we not only share crypto signals but also forex signals. Additionally, you'll find many market monitoring tools such as the forex and crypto heat map, a news calendar, price forecasts, and much more. You can also use TradingView through the app to analyze market prices efficiently. Let's start analysis.